Hello wishers, I am SA and my channel's name is SA Shell Speaks Messages. Before jumping on to the reading for August 2017, there is a small message. Do check the description box below regarding the updates and all. I am attaching a link in the description box, in the description bar, regarding the introduction, small introduction about my channel. That is a video, and apart from that, there is like new service that I'm adding in my introduction mail. So if you are interested in getting vibrational healing energies, that is for distant healing purposes, okay, so if you are interested, you can contact me at sashellspeaksmessages@gmail.com. This is apart from the tarot services, so if you are interested, you can fetch it. I am on Instagram and I do take out weekly heart message cards, so if you are interested in that, you can follow me there. I am on Facebook page as well, so you can book the readings on the Gmail, at the Gmail, you can mail me that. And apart from that, if you message me on Instagram, if you message me on Facebook, I will definitely reply there, and I'll give you my Gmail and we can further proceed. So this is something new that I'm adding in vibrational, distant healing energies services. So contact for that. And what else? Okay, now let's jump on the August 2017 readings and hope you will enjoy that. Bye-bye. Welcome back wishers. Aquarius, this is for you for the month of August 2017. Now this is your heart card, self card, which is 2 of water, and we will talk about it in detail. So as I always take it out, this is my heart platter, which deals with your dreams, passions, relationships. So this is what is in front of you. Let's just start. Aquarius, let me take a breath. Okay, all right. So while I was meditating for you, I saw something very important. Just listen to this message, okay? I saw the word love, and not just that, I saw the aurora, okay? So you can relate it to yourself, with your life, with your situation, anyhow. But that aurora and aroma, okay, there was a fragrance and there was an aurora. There was some surrounding ambience that is like, it's like something is coming to you with very fast pace, okay, and it might have started with like little flow like that, like a fragrance comes and it attracts you towards it. I feel that it has already started, or it will start, and it will be like a fragrance to you, to your life, to out of the blue. Sometimes it happens, like it is like out of the blue. For some of you, it will be a surprise for you, a fragrance of love that will be given or presented to you. Now for some of you, I am grabbing a very positive message, but for some I am getting that it can be a lure, and you have to just don't go on the facade. I feel that someone might be in a position or situation where you'll fall, we always say I fell in love with him or her, okay? So it can be like attraction at first sight, okay? But just don't go that way. I want to say you that if there is love, it will be there, okay? So right now, I feel that in the month of June, I said that I saw the love but was on clouds. So it is, clouds disperse. So like that I'm getting this time, but that is not dispersing. It is something like it is attracting towards you some things. For some of you, I am grabbing very positive, so just go ahead and explore this aurora, whatever is being presented to you, because I feel that it's like you are very much captured in your own world and its work, and it's like making or building yourself up, moving towards the stability ambience that I'm grabbing here. It's also about multitasking. It's also about whether to choose something or not to choose, and it's like you are involving yourself in so much of work that you are about, like some of you are at the edge of gaining more popularity, gaining more money. You are there and you want it, and I feel that you made it your first love after a betrayal of some sort. Maybe for some of you, it's like when it happened was like, for some of you, when it happened was like of 10 months, okay? Or for some of you, it can be 9 long years to more or less 3-6 years. So now it can go anyway, because these are universal reading. Do listen to your sun, moon, rising. But I feel that you felt during that phase, or maybe it's on right now in your life, that you just gave up on love scenario. You started building yourself up emotionally when you were lost in that time frame. You started realizing that you have other love of your life that you should create. Maybe they got this setback, like you were in a relationship you forgot about your talent or energy that you so had, and it just slipped out of your hand because you were handling some other things in your life so much. Okay, so maybe some of you just straight away 2 years, you know, setback, for some 3 years, and for some I'm getting 9 years, little more or less. Now when I say these messages can apply to some, not to some. Okay, now here the message is that it is coming like out of the blue. Maybe someone who will be coming in your life will be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Can be, okay, I'm getting that, a fire sign also, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Can be any other sign because these are general reading, but I'm feeling like it's something, will be a aura, aroma, aurora. Okay, these are specific different words, but I'm getting like that. Someone will portray their love to you after all this. Okay, and maybe they are aware because you know this person from past, like from karmic connections, but meeting them after so long, it's like I'm getting reunion, sort of like friends, but meeting and then discussing. I also feel for some of you it will be a ton of emotional communication that you both will be having when you both will be communicating. It's like communicating in the actual sense. It's just not online. I'm getting like physical being, appearance is there, and you're sitting and talking about this person. So it is possible that for some of you, someone is taking out time, or you are taking out time from your schedule to meet this person. So it is, for some I'm getting emotional movement definitely, but physical movement to the other place. So maybe to their home city, like town, city, place, home, actual place where the meeting is happening. And this is about your distraction phase also, you know, distraction phase that might bring, you know, put you from one place to the other place where you can actually discuss with this person many aspects of life. I also feel that there is a sense of maturity and wisdom that you have gained and that person has gained in their own world. Okay, so maybe they are there to tell you that it's never that luster fades away. Okay, sometimes there are renewal of things. So it is like they are very serious about this aspect. They're not like they're not flirting. For some of you I'm getting it's a very important and beautiful collaboration that might surround you for the future beginnings. Okay, it's also, I'm not getting that someone is like putting you on hold. I'm getting here prioritizing is coming more in this aspect, which will continue in your future aspects regarding work and regarding especially relationship. Okay, so if this is a person who is trying to enter your world or is around you, and you know that this person is there, you both can, you both have a beautiful capability and capacity to continue this collaboration to future endeavors. Okay, so good luck for that. This person can not only, they can be with your ups, they can be with your downs. Now for some of you who are already in an established bond and you have some immature energy as well along with you, maybe they are Earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I feel that this person is very solid with you, Aquarius. They love you, their water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and your immature energy is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, your child, or your children, whatever the case is. Even if not, then this is the case. Okay, howsoever it may apply to anyone. Aquarians are so many around there. So I feel that they have been with you through the graph of life, ups and downs. They will be with you. It's like they are with you via thoughts. Like communication is great. I feel that whenever you feel down, they are there with you. And for some of you, no, sorry for that, I want to step back. They are with you with thoughts, like communication, and they are with you emotionally. Okay, sorry for that break. Okay, now this communication is very beautiful. Not just, I don't see here any financial troubles as well. This is a home which has been built up with memories and good charm. I feel that. Okay, so no matter if situations come like a flow is not there, this come. Okay, prioritization comes. It's like a support system. I'm getting like two pillars are standing and they are together. Like no matter what, they will not break. Okay, so something like that. Okay, this month, Aquarians, independent women, man, whosoever is listening to this, I'm getting emotional satisfaction is coming more. You are meeting yourself after long. It's something for some of you it's like you're meeting yourself after long. You are talking to yourself, okay, about the years being passed, or about where you are now in your life and where you are heading. Some of you are polishing your talents, okay. It's like you know you want to head towards this. I also feel that you have two choices, or two jobs, or two options, some sort of, in regarding career and passion, and you are opting one, like you're choosing one and moving with that to make your career and your your talent, polishing your talent more, to have the stability. Your sole aim purpose for you independent out there, I feel that you want to travel, work, stabilize yourself. I'm getting like that lot of shifts for you. Emotionally you are balancing yourself a lot because you want to build up yourself. I'm getting like building up yourself, working for your passion, regardless of like I feel that you know that there can be some sort of expenditure or investment in your dreams, but I still feel that you are having a logic of something like, I know that this will bring me good luck and good, this investment or this hard work. It's not just about finance that you put in, it's about your ideas, it's about your creativity. You know that this shall bring in the future money to you, okay. So for that, money, stability, fame, I feel that there's a source of physical, emotional, creative travel towards your own soul. This is like you are there, you are meeting yourself. That's what I said. I want to talk about this card, which is 2 of water. I'll just read the message first. A relationship that continues to grow closer, forgiveness, the positive resolution of a conflict. Now here I'm getting like, for some of you, like I said, that you are like together. No matter what, you both are not drifting ways apart. You see a problem as a problem, and then you see as a problem as a solution to enter in your world. So whatever it is, maybe finance, if you are in a relationship, finance problem, you work together. Whatever it is, you both stand by one another. For some of you, I'm saying that maybe you are totally single and you just don't want to be in any sort of drama. I'm getting drama, but emotionally, you sometimes you think you're lying on the bed or you're sitting on the couch or whatever you are doing while even working. You're busy working and a thought struck your mind, and it says that, yes, I want someone. Yes, I want someone. I want now. I'm ready. For some of you, I'm getting like, I am ready to pursue. Apart from my work, I want to collaborate with someone who can understand my dreams, and we can further proceed with the relationship. So this is something you're ready to have a relationship, a deepening of love, emotional, that's what. But for some of you, I'm getting that you are making yourself so much busy, because I said that you want to be independent, you want to create your own home, you want to earn money, you want fame, that you are putting your emotions underwater, okay. So it's not coming up. No one can see it. No one can see it. People can see your fame if you are very famous in some aspect, or if you are on a journey to get famous. I feel distractions don't bother you, okay, or you don't let them bother you, because you want to be with yourself for time being. Like some of you are not ready, some of you are building yourself up. As I said, you're happy at your home, you're out with your parents, possible, even if individually living apart. Living apart means living in the apartment or somewhere, anywhere, wherever you are living, but you are making yourself very strong. So emotionally, you don't portray that you have something like bubbling inside. That's what I'm seeing. This is what you need to do. This is your heart card, which is saying that you need to meet yourself up first. And if something is coming in your life, it is a time to open the doors of your heart, to drop the guards. Let the communication flow. I feel that someone is trying, or someone will try to capture your attention or want to meet you. I feel this is also dates. So maybe you are going on a date, or outing. Not necessarily always date. So I feel like a friendly meeting out there where you can talk with one another, discuss. I feel some of you have common interests. So you both are discussing that aspect and going with this. I feel that you both will be working together. For some of you, I'm getting that two people coming from different streams maybe, but those streams are so creative that you both are meeting and patching up, like let's work together as a team. So that's what I'm getting, and this will bring success in your life definitely, okay. Some of you are getting some sort of idea, okay. It's like you're keeping it under. You're not letting people know what is bubbling inside. So it's about you're meeting yourself with your own dream. You want to manifest, you'll be doing a homework. That's what I'm getting. You're not unfolding or releasing it to anyone right now. I feel that you are not so sure about it. Inside you are sure that this is my dream and I need to bring it up, but right now you want to do your homework, a task, to-do list, so that you can bring it forth in future and people can see, oh my God, like you want people to say what she was or he was or whosoever is listening to this, you know, like I'm she, so I'm saying like, oh, she was planning something, or she is coming up with this aspect. Oh my God, this is beautiful. People will love you or love your idea. Some people might get jealous of you, okay? They won't love it that you are doing something. So what you need to do this month is August, Aquarians, you need to love yourself. Be with people who love you so much, okay? You need to be in a relationship with yourself also. So I'm saying here, it's like a lot of messages are coming off like, excuse me, for you, for your life, for your flow. I'm getting that, and a speed is coming, a speed, okay? If the time will be up, I'll attach another episode sort of like connected with this video again. Aquarius, I don't want to stop talking because I'm seeing so many things for you. So now for some of you, I'm feeling like you are in some sort of field like you heal people or you teach people or you counsel people. It can be any field, okay, of like giving some vibrations that you link with people and you tell them what to do and what not to do because they approach you for the right direction. You are giving so much of love to them via your aurora that message is here also applicable very much, that people are, you know, like a magnet. They are getting attracted to you. You are a magnet and people are getting attracted to you, and for this work as well. So I'm getting a lot of boom to your business aspects. So I think a ton of emails coming in your you know, mail boxes, folders, spams even. So just filter it, you know, filter box anywhere. Messages are coming, a lot of messages. Work is coming. I feel gain of popularity here. So a lot of communication. People are writing to you. That's what I'm getting. Emotionally, you're feeling very like, you know, submerged in water, like I am on right track. You're saying to yourself like this is what is you are gaining popularity for. Yes, for coming, now I have to say that for coming 4 weeks in August or a little further, I can see boom to your career, okay? So whatever you are doing, if you are in this aspect of feel like healing, source counseling, teaching someone, whatever it is, this is what is, can be any, like, but in healing aspect. So vibrations, links, you are sending beautiful positive energy to people and they are like around you and surround you and they give you love. This is also Two of Waters, which is for me is saying you're submerged in emotions. They love you and you know it, and you just want to be, you don't want to cry. It's something like you don't want to be, you don't want people to see your tears, but they love you, and those tears are of happiness also because you are telling them, or, you know, showing them the way out of many things or aspects. So that's what I'm getting. I also feel that someone around you, maybe from past, possible that you were connected with this person 6 years back, like 6 to 9 to 3 years, little more or less. Emotional connection was there with this person. Can be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Can be a water sign. Yes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Earth element is also here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, because these are general and these are universal readings. So I'm getting here that they are regretting that aspect of this, you know, regretting the aspect of this connection, like they're not connected with you, so there is no link now. And I feel that you sometimes think about what is going on there. Regardless, you are emotionally strong now or you are working in your field, but you know, at the back burner, you don't, some of you don't feel of reuniting at all. No, you don't want to. I'm not saying that everyone is interested, but some of you think like what might be happening in the world. I'm also getting their vibes, like of their energy, that they think what you are doing in your life or where you are heading. So they might be feeling that, are you at the same place, like, you know, you're working, but are you in your home city, or are you in the specific country? Still, it is something like that, and they are very much confused about that aspect, because you are moving. Now moving doesn't necessarily, it's not necessary that you're traveling, but possible that you are traveling, or possible that you have shifted. So maybe they are on the search of that, or maybe they want to communicate, but they are very heavy inside because they are regretting that aspect. They are guilty of whatever they did. So for some of you, and it is emotional regret, emotional guilt that is making them stop every time, even if they want to communicate with you, because you are not showing them the positive vibes at all. You just don't want to, or you are not interested in you know, having this emotional collaboration with them. So that's fine, because I feel that someone went did wrong, or sent you the vibes that you so much once were in, and then you got disconnected with that, and discontent was there. It is better to move, you know, away. So this is what is like your whatever, you are the love, and your aura is attracting others, even from past to you, even from present to you, even from future. Something is coming for you, because a career aspect glowing, everything is glowing. Emotionally you are strong, you know what needs to be done. I feel like that very much is here. Okay, so let me just come back. As Aquarius, I have to connect this part. Now, Two of Water, to me, again, I just want to grab a little bit energy. Enjoy yourself, love yourself, groom yourself, be with yourself, deepen the love with yourself. I'm saying so much of self because this is a time for your emotional treat. That's the term came. Okay, so emotional treat is very important. I also feel that some of you are very much, you know, captured by people in your surroundings. You're doing a lot of aspects, like regular aspects for your family and all, that you're not getting time for yourself. Okay, so if you're not getting, you need to sorry for the blabbering, little bit prioritize. Okay, you want to manifest some of your ideas in reality, like manifesting, that is in reality. Okay, you want to build something, you're not getting time, so you have to make it. And you Aquarians are so like logical, and you know, boom, you go there. So what you think, you do that. So when you're doing it, it's like collaborating before manifesting. It's like accumulate, like collecting stuff, collecting ideas, collecting homework, doing homework, then organizing it. Your process is like that. And when you enter somewhere, like you jump, okay, you jump in the water, it's like definitely a positive vibe that you send to everyone, and that is beautiful something. Okay, this will definitely make you emotional. Now, when I was saying in the starting, you know, jumping back to that message of Aurora, maybe that's a lure for some of you. So if there is the case that you are in and you don't know about something or some situation or work or whatever, okay, and this is what is stressing you out, that what the other person or situation, whatever it is portraying you, okay, and you're not sure, don't take that step. Like if someone is showing everything right to you and they are putting everything in the right context in front of you, I'm not saying that it is negative, the card is not negative, but I feel that it is time for you to step ahead to ask them whether their priorities, in wherein you fit. That's what the message is. Okay, so whatever they are saying, is it like right? Because I feel that what they say emotionally to you, you are in a place where you put the walls. Okay, you're not sure what the other person is thinking. You want to, like, you know, seep in their thoughts, seep in their heart to know the exact truth. Okay, you want practical something. Okay, that's what the energy is coming. You want to see what they actually can do for you. So it is like something action. So if this is something that is happening, you want surety of someone, you want them to tell you that how much they love you, and just not say how much you love me, how much you care for me. Bring me the reality, show me. This is something like in a practical zone. Okay, so I feel that they will be, and you will be in a situation of choosing. I also feel some of you are, for some of you, it's like they are choosing and they are telling you okay? They're telling you they love you, but you don't believe it. So till the time they don't lead this aspect of relationship or whatever they are saying to the marriage or like particular commitment or engagement or marriage aspect, or discussing with you properly, meeting you with your parents, and it's like collaboration, that is not happening. You're not believing whatever they're saying. So it's like you believe in action. That's what I'm getting. Some of you, yes, I'm getting that. For some of you, I'm getting like you are so much in love with particular person that you met maybe in this time frame of last 10 months, or maybe you are with this person from like 3 years to 5, little more or less. I do say that because that's what I'm getting. I feel that you both have decided now to move ahead. I feel for some of you, you both are getting married or getting engaged and then pursuing with the marriage aspect, and then it's like shifting and traveling to other places also. So now in this country, in the same country you are in, but you are shifting like places. So from city to city, possible, like from one state to other state. It is possible. That's what the energy is coming. So it's like a flow of your love to other countries. You're spreading something, spreading wings and flying. Okay, that's what emotionally, physically shifts are there happening. And for some of you, it's like you're leaving your job and you're shifting, and you are thinking how everything will be done or manifested because it will be new place. So it's okay. Just right now, I feel your priority is this. You want to be with this person, go ahead. It's nothing wrong. I'm not getting that, because I'm getting like love is there, emotional flow is there, which will make you both come together, and this will be very good. Because for some of you, I get that you might feel that if you leave your job because of this, inside you know that this part is very important. You're stressed about that, like what about my position, what about my work, how I will shift, how I will pack. But emotional connection is making you believe that everything will be all right. They love you, not just emotionally, they will work with you for your career as well. So it's a positive sign. Go ahead, move with this person, and life will be awesome there. So I'm getting for some of you a new place, okay, a new place, a new home, grand events. Definitely this is because of this you are moving ahead. I'm getting a lot of messages. I can talk for hours on this spread, but I have to like say now bye till next time. Let me see something else if left. Aquarians, okay, they will not hurt you, okay, they will not hurt you. So if you are this time you're making yourself ready for some relationship, it's okay, do it. Because just stop thinking about that one person, one energy, one situation, because if you will rethink about all those aspects, they will never let you release yourself from the past and then move ahead in the future. That's what the energy is coming. It's saying boom, go, live, be the flame of your life, okay, Aquarians. Let me see if something is left here. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm getting. And loads of love. As Seychelles speaks messages by Aquarius.